Samsung's Galaxy S24 series, boasting cutting-edge technology and flagship specifications, has introduced a slew of Galaxy AI features that have garnered significant attention. These features are part of Samsung's latest Android 14 skin, One UI 6.1, which is also set to be rolled out to older Galaxy devices. One UI 6.1 update rollout. Samsung has announced that the One UI 6.1 update, including the much-anticipated Galaxy AI features, will start rolling out to older Galaxy smartphones and tablets by the end of March 2024. Eligible devices for One UI 6.1 update. The devices slated to receive the One UI 6.1 update are as follows. Bullet. Galaxy S23, Bullet. Galaxy S23 Plus, Bullet. Galaxy S23 Ultra, Bullet. Galaxy S23 FE, Bullet. Galaxy Z Flip 5, Bullet. Galaxy Z Fold 5, Bullet. Galaxy Tab S9, Bullet. Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, Bullet. Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. Key Galaxy AI features in One UI 6.1. The One UI 6.1 update will bring several innovative AI features designed to enhance user experience. 1. Circle to search. This feature allows users to circle an object or area on their screen to search for more information about it. It leverages AI to recognize and process the selected content, providing relevant results. 2. Generative Edit. Users can utilize this feature to remove unwanted elements from photos, reposition objects within images, and adjust perspectives for a more polished composition. It's a powerful tool for enhancing photo quality and composition. 3. Live Translate. This feature offers real-time translation for voice calls within supported apps, making it easier to communicate across different languages during conversations. 4. Note Assist. For Samsung Notes, Note Assist can summarize text within the Samsung Notes app and apply specific formatting styles to the summary. This feature is particularly useful for quickly organizing and formatting notes. Summary. A rollout of One UI 6.1 with Galaxy AI features underscores Samsung's commitment to providing advanced and intuitive functionalities across its device lineup. These updates will not only enhance the performance of older Galaxy devices but also bring new levels of convenience and efficiency to users through innovative AI capabilities. If you own one of the eligible Galaxy devices, you can look forward to these exciting new features by the end of March 2024.